Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix Ubisoft Connect has detected an unrecoverable error and must shut down. If you have this particular error, then stay tuned because I will show you how to fix it easily. So first step is to head over to your Windows logo onto your screen and then search in here for run. So we have in here run, click on open. So you can also open it by going over to the Windows and R key onto your keyboard. Now, once you have done that, next thing we need to do is just input right here percent local app data percent. After that, click on OK and it should be able to open an actual data or Windows folder that will actually contain our data. So for this one, just look for the Uplay or Ubisoft folder and then delete it. And it should be able to actually fix the particular problem that we're having right now. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.